Plenty wahala for Kolawole Ajayemi. You won't believe what your eyes will see this evening, as we are bringing to you a shocking news and unbelievable news about Kolawole Ajayemi and TOYIN Abraham. Stay tuned to watch the full gist about this news. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. Recent reports about TOYIN Abraham and her husband, Kolawole Ajayemi, have sparked widespread attention, alleging turmoil in their marriage due to infidelity claims. An Instagram blogger, Esabod, accused actress Lizzy Anjorin of being involved with Kolawole. However, Lizzy Anjorin has denied the allegations, labeling them as baseless and urging the public to disregard the rumors. She stated she has no interest in any issues concerning TOYIN and Kolawole's relationship and believes such stories are aimed at creating unnecessary drama. These rumors come amid a backdrop of previous public disputes between TOYIN and Lizzy, which may have contributed to the sensationalism surrounding the claims. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.